If you are looking to start an affiliate marketing website with WordPress, choosing the right theme is crucial. A good theme should not only look professional and modern, but it should also have the features and functionality you need to effectively promote products on your website. In this video, I name 11 reasons why you should use the best WordPress theme from 2022 to start an affiliate marketing website in WordPress. The winning WordPress theme I'm talking about is the Blocksy theme. With Blocksy Free and Pro, you will have access to a wide range of customization options, fast loading times, a built-in product review schema, which allows you to optimize your website with reviews like this, helping your site reach the right users along with an intuitive interface. The Blocksy theme has an incredible product reviews feature. This is a pack that allows users to create an affiliate marketing website. This free extension is designed to showcase products and provide reviews to help your users make informed purchasing decisions. It is a bonus extension that lets users to set up their own personalized product reviews for affiliate marketing purposes. This extension follows the necessary Google schema metadata and outputs rich results to search engines. To start using, all you need to do is to activate, so just follow these steps to do so. From your WordPress dashboard, access the Blocksy dashboard, then choose Extensions. If you click to configure, you can control here the single and category slug. You should always input in the slug your focus keyword in order to optimize for search results. Along with this feature, make sure you set your permalink structure to a custom one. To check this permalink setting, head over to your WordPress dashboard, Settings, Permalinks. Then from this list, you choose the most suitable structure based on your business format. Permalinks are the permanent URLs of your posts, pages, categories on your website. They should never be changed, and that's why they are called permalink. They help to create an easy structure that's easy to read for both human beings and search engines. When Google wants to index your articles, they use the permalink of your content. Having said that, the date and name include the publication data besides the post title. This is suitable for websites that publish new content every day, like WordPress news. The month and numeric are not the best choices for major affiliate blogs. They are not helpful whatsoever. The best one to utilize is the post name option. It includes the post name of your article and it's the easiest readable structure. Coming back to the product extension review, if you are familiar with Gutenberg editor, this will be super easy to set up. You access the product reviews from your WordPress dashboard. I've got already some product reviews which were uploaded by the Blocksy starter template I'm using for this demo, which I will talk more in a minute. If I click on the post edit, we are taken into the Blocksy settings page. You edit here your product post review, and you can edit and customize the review entity mode. At the moment it's set to default, but you can change to another one. Using Blocksy is pretty simple. All you need to do now is to change from this drop-down menu. The gallery section allows you to add your gorgeous images to the product review. You can edit and customize your images and you upload them from your media library. Another unique action you can take is the ability to attach a promotional video here. All you have to do is to add the video URL from your YouTube channel, for example. The affiliate button label is 100% customizable. So here's what to do. You select the text and then change to another label you need. For example, want more. Then you add in the affiliate link here. For example, I want to assign to my homepage. All I need to do is to write down the page. You can set it to open in a new tab with the sponsored attribute where you are telling Google that this is an affiliate link. Now let's click on the Blocksy page settings because I want to show you something. Within this page, you can manipulate and control the general design layout for this particular product review. What you can do is to experiment with these different layouts. You got narrow width, normal width, left and right sidebar. This first one, it inherits from the customizer settings, but you can change it here. And that's what I wanted to show you. So as you are viewing, you can customize every aspect of the layout. Pretty cool. My number 2 Blocksy theme feature is the multiple sidebar extension. This is a unique feature that allows users to create different sidebars for different pages on their WordPress website. This extension is available in the Blocksy Pro version and can be used to display different content on different pages depending on the user needs. For example, a website owner could create a sidebar with links to related articles for a blog post or a sidebar with contact information for a business page. This extension also allows users to display sidebars based on user roles or conditions. To create a new sidebar, just go to the Appearance and Widgets section of your WordPress dashboard. You give it a name, and then a little cogwheel icon will appear next to it, letting know to set its display conditions. With the display conditions dialog box, you can select where you would like this sidebar to show up. You can include or exclude entire website or singular pages for posts, and based on user conditions. So you can display a different set of widgets if the user is logged in, for example. You can also remove any created sidebar just by clicking the X button next to its name. My number 3 feature is the Trending Posts extension. Is a pro and a free feature. This will let you easily highlight your most popular posts or products on your website. However, if you are a pro user, you will get additional features that I will show you in a second. It works with your custom post types, providing you great flexibility in displaying feature content on your website. To access the customization settings, you go to the easy-to-use customizer. The first option, module title, lets you easily rename the section to whatever title you want. This is helpful, for example, if you want to showcase just products or other types of content. You can specify the H tag you want to use. What's the post type? Do you want to use a post, a product review, a dimension? And my custom post type, it's this one. The source field lets you easily define the query you want to use to display the content. Do you want to use the taxonomies? Do you want to use a custom query? If you want to use a custom query, you can display and choose the post by ID followed by a comma if you are a more advanced user. In short, it is fully customizable extension. The last one, this trending from field, lets you further refine the query. You select the time frame to which you want to display your posts, and from all time, last 24 hours, last 27 days, last month. You can also define the image size. Is this a thumbnail, a medium? This is really insane. How do you want to display before the footer, after the footer? And you can also have a section to define the display conditions. Do you want to include, do you want the entire website? This is customizable. And if you are a pro user, you get two powerful extra options. So the first one is the ability to choose where to display this extension. You have three simple choices here: before footer, after, and after header. And the other one is the ability to set the display conditions, and this enables you to showcase your trending posts only displayed on specific posts or pages. And this is what's about display conditions. The conditions module, this is not an extension, instead is a pro user feature. You easily find this module throughout your website in spots such as header builder, the footer builder, multiple sidebars, content block. I have already shown you this in trending posts module earlier, so there's no need to explain it further. These are options you want to use if you want to hide a specific block or blocks based on a user state or based on other parameters. The Blocksy theme has a awesome feature called content blocks that allows users to easily insert any piece of content dynamically throughout their website. Content blocks are a powerful feature that can be used to create custom layouts, add widgets, display content in various ways. For example, you can use content blocks to add a call to action button, a pricing table, or a testimonial section to your website. To add a content block to a specific page in the Blocksy theme, you create a custom template for that page using the content blocks feature. So click on the Add New button, and then you select the custom template option and give it a name. You click to create. I just want to add a button just for demo purposes. And now you click on the Blocksy settings and you define here where exactly do you want to display these elements. Scroll down, I want to find my contact page, but you can have this content wherever you want, to the header, sidebar, post page. And display conditions I want to include in a product, and add this product review single, refresh the page, refresh, and there it is, my button. The Blocksy theme offers a post type extra feature as an extension. This feature allows users to customize their post categories with taxonomy, colors, featured images, progress bars, and more. At the bottom of each post category, you simply find the featured images as well as the accent colors options. This feature image option lets you display a beautiful full hero image inside the category title container. With the accent colors, you will simply highlight the taxonomy titles when previewing the blog archives or single post pages, letting you easily organize posts more appealing. My number 7 is the starter templates feature. Downloading and installing a Blocksy theme starter template for free offers several benefits, including you saving time and effort in designing a website from scratch, you access to a wide range of customization options, elements, and starter sites. You have a blazing fast and lightweight performance and many free features than most paid WordPress themes. You access them through the Blocksy theme dashboard, and all you have to do is to scroll through all the beautiful layouts in order to fit your needs. There are at the moment templates for Gutenberg and Elementor Page Builder. You can preview before deciding to import into your website. The only thing I criticize here is not having a filter option in order to become even easier to find what you are looking for. My number 8 is the white label. This is a pro feature, and with this enabled, it's available for pro users, as I said before, and you can easily hide the Blocksy theme license information from your WordPress dashboard. Simply click to activate. Once you enabled, it allows you the replacement of Blocksy branding with your own brand name. This is excellent for freelancers and agencies. You really need to check out this pro feature. This is the Blocksy hook system. It allows you to place your content blocks anywhere you want around your page. The Astra and the Cadence themes also have this feature. I can assure you, it brings a lot of fantastic freedom and flexibility. If you use this amazing feature, you have the freedom to build your custom blocks and make them wherever you want. You access them on the Content Block tab from your WordPress dashboard, and you can easily insert any piece of content dynamic throughout your website. It's optimized to work with the block-based content editing interface of Gutenberg, WordPress, and this theme feature also works with other popular page builders like Elementor and Breezy. Number 10 is the advanced menu for pro users. With this pro feature, you have the possibility to make a real, engaging, personalized advanced menu that sets you apart from others. You can create mega menus that include icons, badges, images. If you look at my YouTube channel, I have at least 2 Blocksy theme tutorials on how you can use these advanced menus. I will leave the Blocksy theme playlist for you, and make sure you watch both to learn deeply about this powerful feature. Last but not least is WPML. WPML is an advanced plugin that lets you easily convert your single language website into multiple languages. You can translate pretty much every part of your website, from its content to smaller pieces, with WPML. You can translate pages, posts, custom types, taxonomy, menus, and even your site's admin panel. They provide support for users and comes with 65 languages you can utilize. The automatic translation is powered by Google, Deep, and Microsoft. So, to really expand your audience, this is something you may consider, although this is not a free plugin. And if you are a Blocksy Pro user, you get 2 extra features when using the plugin in combination with Blocksy Pro. Number 1, you get the language switcher header element. This is useful for your visitors to quickly change the language of your website. And number 2, language-based conditionals. This is an enhancement to the conditional module presented by Blocksy theme. And what it does, it automatically detects the current language. So these are my 11 Blocksy theme features for affiliate marketing WordPress websites. The Blocksy Theme Pro offers advanced features and functionality that are not available in the free version. Although the free version of Blocksy theme may be sufficient for some freelancers, professional freelancers may benefit from the additional features and functionality offered by the Pro version. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade to Blocksy Theme Pro will depend on your individual needs and budget. Thank you so much for watching. I suggest you watch next one of my Blocksy theme videos included in this playlist. My name is Natalie. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. I leave for you a Blocksy theme affiliate link in case you want to buy a pro license key and use the coupon SitesWithNatalie to get a 10% off. See you next time. Bye bye.